this is the DIVI Aruba All Inclusive Hotel. This is where we're staying. Lovely, lovely hotel, and we're loving it here. Food is amazing, beaches are amazing, great pools, bar service, everything is good. Can't recommend this place enough. So we've moved from the Tamarind to the DIVI All Inclusive Resort, and we're now in room 207. So let's have a look inside. Ooh, lovely and cool from the air conditioning. What have we got here? A nice mirror. Ooh. 2 double beds. Very nice. The TV is on, quite a large TV. An espresso coffee maker with tea bags, coffee, sweeteners, creamers, some lamps, etc. And what have we got? Bit of artwork. Lots of wardrobe space. A safe, a fridge. Lovely and cool, so that's working. That's good. An iron. Plenty of coat hangers. Shut those up. Let's shut those up. There we go. A nice armchair. Little table by the back doors. Bedside table with lamps. Very deep drawers. A Gideon Bible, as always. Telephone. A desk. Again, lots of drawer space. That's great. So the TVs have Netflix, YouTube, etc. all wired up, so it's very easy to log in under your own details for your evening entertainments, and hand sanitizer. An air conditioning unit, which is lovely, absolutely lovely. And then the bathroom. So dual sinks. Here we are. Hairdryer. Nice mirror, some soap. Ice bucket. Very nice looking shower. Nice big size. Clothesline. All very clean. It's pretty good. Lovely toilet there. Plenty of towels. Lots of towels down there. Toilet rolls, more towels. And then let's look. Oh, one thing I forgot. They supply you this little Lamona candle, so when you're sitting on your balcony, you can light that and you won't get pestered by mosquitoes. Well, that's the theory anyway. So let's have a look outside. So we had a really nice sea view in the other hotel. So let's open up and see what we've got. So lovely balcony area. Lovely balcony area. Here we are. There's the sea. You can hear it and probably and see it. A bit windy today, but how's that for a view? The pool, this can be lovely in the evening when it's all lit up. Lovely blue and pink neons. And there's the sea. Palm trees waving in the wind. Nice hammock down there. Maybe sit on that later. And a bar literally just over there that sells, doesn't sell. It's all inclusive, so it's all free, but it's snacks, burgers, hot dogs, fries, pizzas, baguettes, sandwiches, and of course lots of beverages, soft drinks, and plenty of branded alcohol. Really beautiful, really is beautiful. We're going to get unpacked now, and then we're going to head over to the pool and maybe onto the beach there, which is a really lovely beach. We've been spending the last 2 days on this beach, and we know it's really nice. So please subscribe to the channel. It really does help. Leave any comments down below. Please like the video. But look at this beautiful blue sky in Aruba. So amazing. So amazing. Loving it here. One happy island, baby.